Okay, students, let's review our I can statements. I can read numbers through 1 million. Make sure to keep practicing. For example, if we asked you to write the number 102, you would write 102. If we wrote a number like this, you would be able to say 17,645. Try this one. Try writing it on your dry erase board and saying it in your head. Go ahead and pause. Welcome back. Did you write this? 16,000, comma, 560. Again, say 16,560. Our other I can statement this week was, I can tell that a digit in one place has 10 times the value of the same digit or number in the place to its right. For example, if I said 110, notice there's two ones. The first one is valued at 100. The second one is valued at 10. So notice that the first one is 10 times greater than the second one. For example, if I said 222, the first 2 is in the hundreds place, that's 200. The second 2 is in the tens place, that's 20, and the third 2 is in the ones place. So 200 is 10 times greater than 20, and 20 is 2 times greater than 2. Today, we're going to be practicing comparing numbers. So our I can statement today is, I can compare numbers as greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, we've watched a video, we've practiced, we've made an anchor chart, so refer to these if you need help. I'm going to help you with a few of these. Let's take a look at number 8. First of all, practice reading the number. We say 22,873 is greater than, equal to, or less than 22,774. Very important, you want to line the numbers up. So on the side of your paper or on a scratch sheet of paper, you are going to rewrite the numbers. 22,873. Directly below it, be very neat, line up 22,774. Okay, and then we're going to start with the first 2. Okay, we compare those. This 2 is 20,000. This 2 is 20,000. Those are equal to each other in value. The next 2, that's 2,000 and 2,000, again equal in value. We move to the next digit in the hundreds place. This 8 is valued as 800. This 7 is valued at 700. So we can tell that the greater of these two numbers is this number here, 22,873. So neatly on your paper, you are going to write these. Watch my example, 22,873, and you're going to write 22,774. Try to write smaller so you can fit them on the paper. And again, the greater than symbol is going to point towards 22,873. A few little tricks. You can place dots. The opening of the greater than symbol with 2 dots is greater. You might think of this as a crocodile. He's going to want to eat the greater number. Okay, let's try one more together. If you think you have it, go ahead and pause. Okay, welcome back. First of all, you must always rewrite your numbers and stack them. 912,706. Practice saying it in your head. 912,706. Well, what do you know? 9 and 9, same value. 900,000, 900,000. The 1 here stands for 10,000, 10,000. This 2 is valued at 2,000, 2,000. 7 or 700, 700. 0, 0 in the tens place, and in the ones, 6 and 6. So here you can just place an equal sign. Okay? Let's do one more. Again, if you think you have it, go ahead and pause. Please try it on your own. Have to be very neat with the next one. You might have to do it on the back of your paper. This one has 5 places. 22,240. The next number only has 4, so we're going to line this first 2 up in the thousands column. 2,224. And we can tell by looking at the tens column that the top number here, this 2 is valued at 20,000. There is nothing here. Imagine it as a 0. So this top number is much greater. So again, you're going to draw your greater than symbol. And we are going to read this as 22,240 is greater than 2,224. Go ahead, pause, try to do the rest on your own. Okay. Now that you've finished 11, 12, and 13, let's try 14. The directions, always read them closely and carefully. Write which place to use when comparing the numbers. Okay, so for example, number 14, we look at a 3 and a 3. That doesn't help us. We look at the 9 and the 2. Well, yes, that helps us. So we are going to look at the 10,000s place. We are going to compare the 9 and the 2. Look at your place value chart if you need help. Again, on the side here, I will rewrite them. We start on the right. The ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place. Then we place a comma. Okay. Then we go to the thousands, ten thousands. Do you know what's next? You said 100,000s. You are correct. And since we've done 3, we're going to place a comma and go to millions. The first one is just millions. Having a little trouble. I'm going to rewrite this here. Move my paper over here. Millions. It's not cooperating with me, but that would be millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, so go ahead, pause. Try to do the rest on your own. I did number 14. We'll do one more together, but you try it first. Get that brain working. Welcome back. So number 15. First, you start on the left, 6 and 6. That 6 is 6,000 over 6,000. Doesn't help me. 7 over 7, that's 700 over 700. 1, 1, that's 10 over 10. That doesn't help me. But if I look at the last one, I can tell that that top number is greater because the 6 is greater than the 4. So the directions tell us which place. That is in the ones place. So right below 15, you would have to write the ones place. Go ahead, pause, try the rest on your own. And again, refer back to this video if you need help with your homework.